This is our Illuminating Tinted Moisturiser SPF15 to nourish, hydrate and protect the skin. You can use it daily in place of your foundation, or you can use it before your foundation. It has key ingredients of zinc oxide, a natural mineral barrier to protect from UVA and UVB rays. We also have Ectoin, a botanical ingredient that helps minimize redness in the skin and also protects from blue light and infrared light. We also have Hyaluronic Acid, which locks in moisture and plumps the skin. It holds its weight 1,000 times in water, so it's lightweight yet easily absorbed. We also have Bisabolol. Bisabolol is a concentrated form of chamomile, so it helps calm and soothe redness in the skin. And of course, also we have jojoba, our pure wadi wadi jojoba and jojoba esters. Powerful antioxidants with vitamins A, D and E, and also omega-6 and 9 fatty acids to nurture and nourish the skin. How to use? You may use it in place of your moisturiser, or you can use it on its own. It's enough to use on its own as a moisturiser, or you can use your foundation also over the top. I like to use it as a base, and it helps minimise pores.